The Foundation for Investigative Journalism traveled to the United Kingdom using a fake negative COVID-19 test result. The result was obtained from a network of fraudsters who operated in collusion with staff of the Lagos State Biobank and the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital. The ring is so sophisticated that through its three accomplices, the Lagos State Biobank, Nigeria Center for Disease Control, and the Port Health Services of the Federal Ministry of Health, it bypasses mandatory registration procedures on the Nigerian International Travel Portal. Posing as a protocol officer for a non-existent NGO, I went to the Murtala Muhammed International Airport. I sought to get a negative COVID-19 test result for someone without having to do the test. At the airport, a taxi driver, Adeola Oladipupo, provided a means of traveling out of the country without presenting a COVID test result. The person he contacted was one Oladipupo, his elder brother, and the top immigration officer at the airport.
Let me call, they don't want to come. Let me call the immigration man for you.
Is it genuine?
The immigration man, when they work here, with this thing we hear now, I can call you, but probably ask if it is something that airline can pick the person without disappearing, we know. Yeah, it's only their database that we snap.
What is the passport
page. That's what we snap and take it to the hospital.
Which of the hospitals?
It's at Kenya here. We will just do it and print the certificate for them. Hello, Prince. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mo lẹ́nìkan láti company kan ní ló wá bá mi lẹ́pọ̀tù láàárọ̀ yìí sí. Ó wá ní àwọn èèyàn wọn fẹ́ máa travel. But kíní COVID-19 yẹn wọn ò ṣe. Wọ́n á ní kí n béèrè pé ṣé ẹ lè máa pick wọn bí àìbá o. Mo ṣe mọ̀ wọ́n lé ní ni o. Mo ṣe mọ̀ wọ́n lé ní ni wọ́n. Ẹni ẹ̀ náà wà pẹ̀lú mi, òun náà wà pẹ̀lú mi ń bí. Ká tó ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn fún a lè rí gbogbo àwọn evidence láti fi prove pé òun náà ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú company.
Just tell you to relax.
Ẹni ẹ̀ náà wà mí sá. Ẹ ló sàmú ń gbé sá.
Okay.
To get a sense of how fraudsters endanger public health by compromising COVID-19 testing process, I told Oladipupo that I was uncomfortable dealing with an immigration officer. He called another person, this time an agent of the fake negative COVID-19 test result racket ring. The man, Murtala Muhammed, also known as Dollar or Muri Dollar, was a black market foreign currency exchanger before the pandemic. But now he found a new revenue flow. He was happy to do the deal when I told him that it was not a one-off transaction. Muri Dollar agreed to meet me 3 days later, and he sent fake negative result samples. The negative results, which appeared to have been issued through a legal process by the Lagos State Biobank at Yaba, falsely stated that samples were collected and screened. The result also showed that lab codes and specimens were generated by staff at the test centers in LASUTH and the Lagos State Biobank in order to conceal the fraudulent activities from whatever system put in place to prevent double dealings. The fraudsters get patronage from different parts of the country, as addresses on the fake results show. Even foreign nationals are part of their client base. After 2 hours, 30 minutes of waiting, Muri Dollar returned from LASUTH with about 5 COVID-19 test results. Muri Dollar was paid 40,000 naira, while Adewale was paid 7,000 naira. Days later, Muri Dollar contacted me and revealed the mode of operations of the racketeers.
Send it through message system so Yaba na machine phone be tama pare ka ba pare send the schedule awa ba da keja.
There are 23 public and private laboratories in the consortium. All COVID-19 test results are required to go through the Lagos State Biobank. Like public labs, Results from the private labs are also counterfeit. I saw at least 2 fake negative COVID-19 test results issued by 54Gene and SynLab. 54Gene stated in response to this investigation that it takes the counterfeiting of its results extremely seriously and had built a test result validation portal. Two travelers, one to an African country and the other to the UK, who agreed to speak to the FIJ under the condition of anonymity, got fake results.
A clearance from 54Gene, a member of the Lagos State COVID-19 Laboratory Consortium, Lagos State. I didn't leave my house. It was sent to me online, and I printed it. I was told to print it in colors.
There is a widespread imitation and use of fake test results in Nigeria. A flight to the UK from the MMIA, Murtala Muhammed International Airport, revealed why many travelers with fake negative COVID-19 test results go through checks at the airport undetected. COVID test results in Nigeria lack security features which could help officials at the airport spot fake results from original results.
In fact, somebody told me in Ibadan, which is not because you want to release a report early, no. Kid wife might ever look here law. Oh my God, here. See you want to be by.
The activities of the COVID-19 test result racket syndicate infiltrated is coordinated by a doctor. By conniving with insiders at government agencies that co-manage the Nigerian International Travel Portal with the Nigerian Center for Disease Control, the ring circumvents government's mandatory COVID-19 protocols for inbound air travelers.
30 minutes, what is the information? 30 minutes.
Through WhatsApp, Murtala forwarded a message containing some numbers which he received from the doctor. The message originated from someone at the Lagos State Biobank. With 35,000 naira, I got through checks by the Port Health Service without registering on the NITP.
That's all. No,
At the Port Health Service desk, the official said the code was not what he was looking for. He proceeded then to verify and approve my entry after imputing my passport number and appeared satisfied with the information that showed on the screen. The official pulled out fake information which showed that the syndicate worked in connivance with insiders in government agencies who had access to the NITP platform.
It's possible to hack any system. It's possible to have access to any system and bypass them, but then you have to dedicate a whole lot of resources, especially for something like this.
I would totally say that the system in Nigeria here can be bypassed. That's talking about the for the COVID test, right? It can be bypassed and it can actually be tampered with from all indications.
With new variants of COVID-19 springing up and different countries undergoing second and third waves of the virus, it will be an exercise in futility if the Nigerian government imposes only restrictions but ignores the real problems of COVID test result racketeers, sloppy vigilance, and the corruption by officials at airports and other agencies, which pose great danger to public health.